All right, next question is from Fahad. Will an Upwork agency account help me get more clients? I don't know, to be honest. It could, but I must tell you, you're going to have an easier time getting the job as a personal account. From what I've seen, the clients, they want to talk to the person that's bidding on the job. So I think that you could probably get there after you become more established, because it really depends on if you're just starting out or not. If you're just starting out, I would definitely not go with the agency route unless the agency is actually just providing you work and sending you jobs. Then I would go through that and see if you could leverage that stuff to actually build your reviews and stuff like that. But I would say at first, if you're really just trying to get clients on your own and trying to grow that, and you're possibly thinking about, oh, well, if I start an agency, will that help me get more clients? Then the answer is no. You're gonna do better on your own for now, applying as an individual, and then locking in those jobs, doing a great job, and getting review. That's really how you're gonna get more clients. And I think later, after you develop some nice reviews and nice credentials and things like that, then you could probably step into the realm of the agency. And that's what I did. I didn't put the cart before the horse and do the agency before, until I got like some really solid reviews, and I knew that this was going to be, a great way of freelancing and making money through the site. So thank you so much for the question, Fahad. And yeah, man, we'll talk soon. Bye-bye.